What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on BNGO stock. First of all, brief information about this company. Bionano Genomics is a life science instrumentation company which focuses on genome analysis space. The firm engaged in the development and marketing of Saphyr system, a platform for ultra-sensitive and ultra-specific structural variation detection that enables researchers and clinicians to accelerate the search for new diagnostics and therapeutics targets to streamline cytogenetics. And here is their financials. As you can see, their total market cap for now is $1.94 billion. And they have a revenue of $7.3 million with net income of negative $37.28 million. Their total cash is $18.87 million, but this information is a little bit outdated. And their total debt is $16.01 million, and that's why current ratio is rather decent, 1.18 points. And why I've told you that this information is a little bit outdated. We are on their website, and on January 25th we have this announcement. Bionano Genomics announced closing of $230 million underwritten public offering of common stock and full exercise of underwriter's option to purchase additional shares. And that's why they have more than $200 million. And that's why this information is a little bit outdated. And here is more news. And I made my previous video right around February 26th or 28th, somewhere there. And from this point we can see several news, and let me read it for you. Bionano Saphyr data prove essential in creating the most comprehensive, ethnically diverse collection of genome variation ever completed. Next one on March the 1st, Bionano to be featured at AGBT 2021 with presentation of scientific discoveries made with Saphyr in psychiatric disorders and cancer. On March the 2nd, Bionano Genomics to present at the Cowen 41st Annual Healthcare Conference. On March the 3rd, Bionano customer Praxis Genomics received DEX-Z codes from Palmetto for their whole genome analysis LDT on Saphyr. And as you can see, they have bunch of news related to their Saphyr system. And as you can see, this is it. It is quite small from the dimension standpoint, and it is very disruptive. And they says on their website that optical genome mapping using Saphyr reveals what's missing in your research. Rapidly identify genome variation like never before with the high throughput Saphyr system. And in my opinion, it is a future in this kind of researches. And I've talked with some specialists, and they said that this system is the most accurate and the most precise system on the market right now. And here is some recent news about this company. We are on Yahoo Finance, and this article was published on March the 5th. Why Bionano Genomics might surprise this earnings season. And it says the firm has earnings coming up pretty soon, and events are shaping up quite nicely for their report. That is because Bionano Genomics is seeing favorable earnings estimates revision activity as of late, which is generally a precursor to an earnings beat. After all, analysts raising estimates right before earnings with the most up-to-date information possible is a pretty good indicator of some favorable trends underneath the surface for BNGO in this report. So, according to this article, BNGO is about to beat their expectations on earnings report. And as you can see, on just several hours ago, we have this news. And it says Bionano Genomics to report fourth quarter and year-end 2020 financial results and host a conference call and the webcast on March 23rd, 2021. And I will put all the links in the description below. You can read it by yourself. And let me show you that this information, we are on TradingView, and this information is a little bit outdated. We have to they have to switch it to March 23rd, and this will be the point where we will have their earnings report. And let me switch to institutional investors. And as you can see, the latest fillings was made on March the 1st, and it is Vanguard Mutual Funds. And as you can see, they have several buys, and the total amount of their buys is around $20 million. And I think it is a very good sign that these huge funds, they are investing right now in BNGO. And according to Vanguard analysts, as you can see, we are on Bionano Genomics, and here is the analyst ratings and their recommendation. So 3 analysts recommend to buy this share, and only 1 recommend to hold position. And before we dive deep into the technical analysis, please subscribe to my channel with notification bell. In this case, you won't miss my next video, and hit the like button. It helps me a lot. So we are on daily time frame, and as you can see, this was my Elliott wave breakdown, and I made my previous video right here on February 26th. And at this date, I encourage you to start to accumulate your position right around these 3 levels. And as you can see, we hit all these 3 levels with flying colors. So we have the best possible price for entry points as an investor. And let me show you one more thing. On February 26th, I draw this retracement. I draw this zigzag, and as you can see, price section act exactly that I predicted. And I love this stock. I really love this stock because it is very technical, and we didn't lose any money with this stock. We just miss one trade somewhere here, and then we took about 2 trades, and I encourage you to invest in company at the lowest points, but I encourage you not to invest in this point. Let me show it to you. Right here at the price of 13 and above, I encourage you not to invest in this company, and this is why I made this prediction. This is the RSI, a relative strength index, and as far as it is on overbought region and with really high numbers, as you can see on this corner, there was 98, more than 98 points. This is the worst point to invest for the long term in this company, and I was right. For now, we have the best entry point right around 61% discount from the top, more than 60% discount. And as you can see, let me switch to the daily. As you can see, we bounce from our most probable trend reversal zone. It is a golden pocket, and for now we up for more than 60% as well. And congratulations to you, to all of you guys who took this position, who entered this position. Even though if you load your position in all of 3 levels, your average price should be in the middle, right in the middle. And from this point, you're up for about 16%, and it is also a very good sign. So for those of you who want to invest in this company, I think it is very good time to accumulate your position. Basically, my entry points are the same. We have this entry point, and you can add your position right here at the opening hours. And if we go lower, and I think we might have some retracement from this first initial wave, and I'm pretty sure that this might be the first wave on trend reversal. On retracement, you will add your position right here, somewhere here, and we might even hit again 0.65 region, because the markets are still bleeding, and it's totally okay, because in the long run this company will be successful. And on March 23rd we will see their earnings report, and this might be a huge catalyst for the company, and it will be the beginning of next bull run. So with that being said, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell if you haven't done this before, and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. See you guys and girls next time. Bye.